Surah, number 87, of Quran Majeed. The Most Exalted.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Sabbih isma rabbikal a'la.
Celebrate the name of your Lord, the Most Exalted.
Alladhi khalaqa fasawwa.
Who created and proportioned.
Walladhi qaddara fahada.
Who determined and guided.
Walladhi akhraja al-mar'a.
Who brought forth the pasture.
فَجَعَلَهُ غُثَاءً أَحْوَى.
And then turned it into a black scum.
سَنُقْرِئُكَ فَلَا تَنْسَى.
We shall have you recite the Quran, then you will not forget any of it.
إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ إِنَّهُ يَعْلَمُ الْجَهْرَ وَمَا يَخْفَى.
Except what Allah may wish. Indeed, He knows the open and what is hidden.
وَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى.
And we shall ease you into facility.
فَذَكِّرْ إِن نَّفَعَتِ الذِّكْرَى.
So admonish, for admonition is indeed beneficial.
سَيَذَّكَّرُ مَن يَخْشَى.
He who fears God will take admonition.
وَيَتَجَنَّبُهَا الْأَشْقَى.
And the most wretched will shun it.
الَّذِي يَصْلَى النَّارَ الْكُبْرَى.
He who will enter the great fire.
ثُمَّ لَا يَمُوتُ فِيهَا وَلَا يَحْيَى.
Then he will neither live in it, nor die.
قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَن تَزَكَّى.
Felicitous is he who purifies himself.
وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ فَصَلَّى.
Celebrates the name of his Lord, and prays.
بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا.
But you prefer the life of this world.
وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى.
While the hereafter is better and more lasting.
إِنَّ هَذَا لَفِي الصُّحُفِ الْأُولَى.
This is indeed in the former scriptures.
صُحُفِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَمُوسَى.
The scriptures of Abraham and Moses.